Hello everyone, let's dive into the MUSETEX G07-S6, an ATX mid-tower PC case that's making waves for packing a serious punch without breaking the bank. Right off the bat, the most impressive feature is the inclusion of 6 pre-installed ARGB fans. That's right, 6. For a case in this price range, that's almost unheard of. These aren't just any fans either, they're PWM fans, meaning their speed can be automatically adjusted based on your system's temperature, offering a great balance between cooling performance and noise levels. The ARGB lighting adds a vibrant touch, with 16.8 million colors to choose from, allowing for some seriously cool customization. Just make sure your motherboard has a 3-pin RGB header to take full advantage of the lighting effects. Aesthetically, the G07-S6 doesn't disappoint. It features 2 tempered glass panels, one on the side and one in the front, providing a clear view of your components. The side panel has a magnetic door design, which is a welcome change from traditional screw-on panels. It makes accessing the interior a breeze, whether you're swapping out parts or just want to show off your build. The tempered glass itself feels sturdy and durable, adding a premium touch to the overall design. Inside, the G07-S6 offers plenty of room for your components. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX motherboards, providing flexibility for different build configurations. There's ample space for up to 4 storage drives, ensuring you won't run out of room for your games and files. The case also supports up to 8 fans in total, and there's enough clearance to install a top-mounted 280mm liquid cooler without interfering with your RAM. The front I/O panel is simple and functional, featuring 2 USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfer, as well as HD audio jacks. The audio jacks even have a signal shielding net, which helps to reduce noise and interference for clearer sound. MUSETEX has also paid attention to the details. The case includes magnetic dust filters on the top and a pull-out dust filter on the bottom, making it easy to keep your components clean and dust-free. The fan brackets have wider cutouts for flexible fan placement, and there are even sponge pads on the power supply compartment and case feet to reduce vibration and noise. Overall, the MUSETEX G07-S6 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a feature-rich and visually appealing PC case without spending a fortune. The inclusion of 6 ARGB PWM fans, the tempered glass panels, and a user-friendly design make it a standout option in its price range. If you're building a new PC or upgrading your existing one, the G07-S6 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.